Hello, Dr. Muhailim. I'm Lijian Lee from Section 5, Group 7A. Today, in this video, I will be doing Lab 2, question 1, 2, and 5I, and Zayab will be doing question 3, 4, and 5II. So let's start with question 1. So this is question 1. So let's step over it. Okay, so for the first line, the value of y1 will be moved into ax. So y1 is 1. So ax will become 0, 0, 1. Next, the value of var2 will move into bx. So bx will become 0, 0, 0, 0. And for the next line, the value of bx and ax will be exchanged. So ax will become 0, 0, 0, 6 and bx will become 0, 0, 0, 1. For the next line, ax, the value of ax will move into var1. So var1 now will become 6. And for next line, the value of bx will move into var2. So var2 now will become 1. So this is question 2. So step over. Okay, so for the first line, the value of x bar will move into eax. So eax will become 1a. Next, we make the eax value of eax become negative, so it will become e6. So next line, the value of y bar will move into ebx. So ebx will become 28. Next, we subtract the value of ebx with z bar. So ebx will become a. For next line, we add eax with ebx. So eax will become f0. For next line, we decrease the value of eax by 1. So eax will become ef. And for the last line, the value of eax will move into r bar. So r bar will be same with the value of eax. So this is question 5I. So step over. Okay, so for the first line, we will move 20 into eax. Next, we move 10 into ebx. Next, we move 3 into ecx. And next, we move 4004 into edx. Okay, so for a, we multiply ax with dx. So the answer will be 00008, 0080, and 0008 will be stored into dx, and 0080 will be stored into ax. And next, we will divide dx with ax. So dx is 80080, and we will divide with ax with 80, so it will become 1001. And next, we will multiply dx with cx. So dx is 1001, and cx is 3. So dx will become 30003003. And next, we will divide dx with dx. So it will become 30300. Next, we multiply dx with dx. It will become 0000900. And the last, for f, we will multiply dx with cx. So we will get 0000300. So that's all from me. So I will pass it to Zaya.
This is Zayab from section 7A, from section 5. This is group 7A. Right, so I'm doing lab 2 for Dr. Muhailim. Let's share the screen. So my part in this lab is to do part 3 and part 4, and then part 2 and question 5. So let's start with question 3 here. So as we remember in lab 1, we went through all the headers, the titles, includes how to identify data, the variables. Now we focus more on the operation part, division, multiplication, subtraction, moving part, addition. So we go through one by one. So here we go through here. Let's go through here. The first line here, we move the variable 1 to the register ex, which is 5. Right. So we can see here the variable 1 is 5. We moved it to the we moved the value, not the variable. We moved the value of the variable 1 to the register. Then we multiplied from the ex. Ex will multiply by variable 2, which is 20. In hexadecimal, for example, we're going to give us in decimal number give us 100. In hexadecimal give us a different number. We can see the number is 46. For example, let's check the answer here. My answer x as 46 in hexadecimal. All right. So in the description here, what we did, we multiplied, as we said, the value and the ex, which is stored was 558. Multiply the value of the variable 2, the value, not the variable, which was 20. So multiply the 5 was 20. All right. So move to next line. Then subtract variable 3 from the ex. Variable 3, 10, subtracted from 100. We come back with 90. Stored 5a in hexadecimal numbers. So we can see here 45h. All right, so let's move on to next one. All right, because of the time. So let's go from here. So again, we go through the operation real quick. All right, so we move the variable 1 to the ax. All right, so let me explain real quick the difference between ex and ax. All right, so if you can see here, it's word. All right, we talked about it in lab 1. Here is double word. Double word. All right, so what the meaning of double word? Here we store 32 bits for the hexadecimal. Every bit represents 4 bytes. 32 bits. Every bit represents 4 bits. All right, for the hexadecimal. All right, so this 8 and 4 is 32. All right, so double word use 32, word use 16. All right, so 16. So to store for 16 we store 4 bits. All right, so I'm sorry. Let's go to the code here. 10. You can see the value of the we move the variable 1 40 to the ax. When we move the variable, then here we move the 5 to the ex. You can see here the value of bx is 5 becomes 5, and ax is stored 25. Then next one, variable 2 to bx, variable 2 which is 10. We go through that. Variable 4 have no meaning, so we keep it 0 here. Division line 6. Okay, so in division, ax stored the outcome, and the ex dx, sorry, and the dx stored the remainder of that division. Right. So moving on to last part. Because of the time, I would love to talk more about it. All right. So let's see here. Let's see one by one. Okay. So I have adjusted the values according to what you sent, the doctor sent on the WhatsApp. So here the values: ex, ebx, ecx, ex, edx. Right. So here some operation multiply dx with ax. No, sorry, the post and the last part. All right, it's similar. So multiply ex with edx. All right, and we store the new value in ex. All right, and edx. edx, ax. Then here we divide ex by the value stored in edx and ex. All right. Okay, so and we store the new value in ex and ex. All right, so multiply ecx with ax. All right, so as you can see, and the value of the ecx have not changed, edx have not changed, only the stored value in ex have changed. All right, so we go through that. Then I wrote the code for it. We can run it. So less than 2. So make sure that everything is correctly done. So, 10. Okay, can go through that. Be quick. So here, we move the value to the ax. We move the value. We move the 10 to the bx. We assign the value to every register. Okay. Then we come here. We multiply the ex with edx. Okay. So the value stored in ex is that value, and edx has not changed. So let's see on the board. Okay. This one. Oh, okay. So nothing changed. Let's go to the next one, and we stop there. F10. All right. So here the new value of the ex. Studio. In hexadecimal, we can represent it in ex. All right. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening. I'm sorry for too long. Thank you, Doctor.